How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. We're going to be analyzing Hbar's price right now together, understanding what's happening, of course, and what we could be expecting going into Wednesday morning. So as far as the market is concerned, we are seeing quite a bit of green across the board, and I'm sure no one's really complaining. EOS, up 26.9%. Wonder what's happening. I'll take a look into it if you guys want to see that update. But as far as the broader market is concerned, we are seeing some green, which of course I'm sure no one is really complaining about. Hbar's priced right now 18.8 cents. We're also up 0.1% in Bitcoin. Comparative market cap just at almost $8 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume at about 172 million. So, of course, one thing, one clear takeaway is that the 24-hour trading volume for Hbar has been, decreasing quite substantially. We're sitting at 172 million. Obviously, compared to what we have seen over the last few months, that is quite low. But let's take a closer look and see what's happening. Before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if you're looking at the Bitcoin dominance index, the dominance is actually showing something quite interesting. It has been pulling down. So literally since yesterday, we have seen the dominance going down to 61.44%, which again is amazing to see. And of course, when the dominance goes up and Bitcoin does see a little bit of an uptick, that does tend to have a positive impact on altcoins. And if you're looking across the board, altcoins are definitely having a field day right now. As far as BTC is concerned, still hovering in the 38.2 fib zone, something I spoke to you guys about. We did see a retest, of course, the past few hours down to 80,000 once again, 80,900 to be exact. But look at the, bounce back. We're back in none other than the 23.6. I'm sorry, not the 23.6, the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So the fact that the price of Bitcoin is, finding its way back into this zone is quite interesting to see here. And we'll see what happens, of course, but as of now, it is something that, we shouldn't really be ignoring. But as far as, the level to be watching out for, it's 85K range. If we're able to break out of that level, maybe we do see upside. Of course, FOMC meeting coming up. There is, of course, a lot of people thinking that, we're not going to see a rate cut, but remember, the traditional stock market has been, going down. So are we indeed going to see a rate cut happening from Jerome Powell? If that happens, I do believe, Bitcoin and crypto market does see a positive, move. So let's see what happens. Of course, next few hours very critical, but looking at Hbar, pretty much ranging, where it has been over the last few days. We actually did come up to that 19.2 cents just a few hours ago. But, just a few hours ago also, when Bitcoin retested 80,900, you did see Hbar's price going down to 18.2 cents, but that was short-lived because, we did bounce up since then. So, pretty much retesting, March 16th level. You could see this for yourself right at that neckline as well, but we do have some support, obviously dating not just, to this year, but also dating to the previous cycle. But so far, so good. Price is below 19 cents, but I don't have any doubts that you do see Hbar, reclaiming back to, these March 17th levels. So of course, that's not where you really want to see Hbar sitting at. Hbar really needs to be in the 61.8 in my opinion. But of course, right now we shouldn't really be neglecting what's happening. But the fact that, dominance is pulling down, this is a good sign. If dominance continues to, pull down and, Bitcoin does indeed, break above that 85K range and we do see a rate cut, I do anticipate that, Hbar, will recover back into the 61.8, which we haven't been above for about like a week and a half. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, that itself is a move of 16.34% from where we currently are. And I have no doubts, we do reclaim back in that range, but obviously right now, we need to be paying very close attention to Bitcoin. So let's see what happens. Let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal predictions? Do you think we are going to see a rate cut happening? Let me know in the comments. Love you all. See you later in Crypto ZX and peace out.